Good day everyone and welcome to another epic episode. Welcome to Newsaluti, whereby we discuss politics. I'm your host, Usabuloga Zuma Umshuluzi, and I say you're welcome to join me. So this video, I want to give you now the full presentation that was made by the MK Party President Jacob Zuma in KwaNongoma. So very interesting because Jacob Zuma there, he did outline the MK Party policies and repeated what he did say in 2024 and when he formed Umkhonto weSizwe. Because remember that he was addressing the MK Party new recruitments from the ANC, from the NFP and the IFP. Before we go to the video, I want us to hear the message from the former NFP mayor of Zululand that has already joined the MK Party. Listen here.
Ubingelela nabendlovena amandla ngikhuleke endlula imithi yamakhosi yakithi KwaNongoma isilo esikhulu samabandla bese ngibelela bonke umphakathi wakithi ngibelela inkosini yakithi kwaMandlakazi ngibelela inkosini yakithi yaseMatheni ngibelela nosihlalo soSuthu ngibingelela wonke yena umphakathi wakithi KwaNongoma kanye nabathandi beqembu leMK.
Khathide abantu bebeyibuza beqagula ukuthi ngabe uKhathide mayisula emkhandlweni waNongoma esula kwiNFP ngabuyapi ungasibeka esithombeni ukuthi uyivumele wena kubo lababukela ababukayo ukuthi ngempela usujoyinile umkhonto weSizwe.
Impela kuyiqiniso mfokandlela namhlanje ukufika kaBaba uNcamalala bezoqinisekisa ukuthi emva kwenkulumo ezizinde besihleli ngaphandle nebuholi beMK ne-delegation bethunywa uBaba uNcamalala ukuba sibe ingxenye yokusebenza neMK. Nathi sisondelile njengeqembu abantu abakade bengamakhansela emva kokuba siresign kwamasipala ukuba amakhansela saresign nokuba ama-members oqembu le-NFP ngaphandle kwengxabane bingekho ingxabane kodwa ukuhamba kwesikhathi nobude bendlela kumphaka uyabola. Ngamanye amazwi ke sibe sesidecide ukuthi hayi namhlanje sifisa ukuba siyofaka ihlombe eqenjini le-MK ukuthi oloko sibe sikwenza kwi-NFP ngeke sikwenzeni namhlanje kodwa besikulandela kakhulu siyathanda inkulumo kaNcamalala mayethula umkhonto ethi ngihlanganisa wonke ama-black forces amaqembu e-revolutionary ukuthi awabuye ndawonye onke sibambisane ekutheni sila kanjani nesitha esiwumlungu noma nesitha sabantu abamhlophe abangqiwa nkulu ukuba bathathe into zethu. Ngalawo mazwi ngicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu omnyama unempophelo eyodwa nentshisokelo ukuthi uyishintsha kanjani impilo yomuntu omnyama, ulanda kanjani izinto ezadliwa ngabantu abamhlophe bayithatha kuthina abanikazi bayo. So ngamanye amazwi lokho bekusikhuthaza nokuthi kwesibili kusenza ukuthi mhlawumbe kubelula ingxoxo yethu nayi MK ikube uBaba uNcamalala siyamazi ukuthi sukela ngo2011 kufonywa iqembu leNFP wayenobudlelwano obuhle nokaMagwaza Msibi ngoba leso sikhathi uBaba uZweli Mkhize wakhanda uhulumeni wobumbano hlanganiso ANC noNFP wawusahola uBaba uNcamalala leso sikhathi emva kokugula kamongameli wethu 2015 kodwa umongameli azange azamlahle uBaba uNcamalala wayenza sure ukuthi kaMagwaza Msibi uzanele kaMagwaza Msibi umongameli wethu ukuthi akwazi ukumfukamela ezimeni inzima ebhekene nazo ngoba wagula kakhulu umongameli. Sinothando olukhulu sila sikhona sazi umsebenzi kaVZ kaMagwaza Msibi namhlanje sisithathile isinqumo sokuthi hayi le ndoda isidukise ngoba yakwazi ukuphatha umuntu wesifazane kulesimo ebhekene naso, yakwazi ukuthi kuba igcinele umsebenzi noma izinto wayefisile ukuzenza ukaMagwaza Msibi ngasho kanjalo mfowethu.
Please bear with me before I jump to the video of Jacob Zuma. I want us to listen to this because this was so very interesting. Seems like the MK Party has targeted the NFP. The MK Party, I presume, they are working so very hard to destroy the ANC, the NFP and the IFP. The MK Party has directed their attention to the entire department, to the entire Zululand district. They have targeted Zululand and they want to take everything that is left there. So the NFP, Women's League leader, also joined the Umkhonto weSizwe, citing that the NFP is facing a lot of challenges and the party is just are divided. She even said and recalled that the late Zanele Magwaza is not there and the party is facing some serious challenges. Listen here.
Ngiyabingelela Mzulu kaMatatasi. Cha, ukungibona sengiqoke kanjena njengamafishana kukunika ngakusho kube nokungaboni ngasolinye kwemibono nje eqenjini kwagcina ngathi akulungiseki ngagcina ngibona ukuthi kusho ukuthi manje lento kamama wethu ngoba nokuthatha isinqumo esinjengalesi bengelulu akufuna ukusho akubanga into elula ukuthatha isinqumo enjengalesi ngoba umama wethu bese enhlizweni zethu asiboke njengabantu besifazane besizwela kakhulu ngomama wethu kusukela sisuka lapha esasuke khona naye kube kuhlungu ukuthatha lesi sinqumo sasikhala inyembezi kube sekufika la sibona ukuthi akulungiseki nokuthi kulungiseke sibona ukuthi iyasha indlu yethu sabona ukuthi ngcono siyifundele elinye ikhaya ukuze sikwazi ukuphila ngoba besibona ukuthi ayi ngathi asisakwazi ukuphila kodwa khona ikhaya lethu bekuyikhaya bekumnandi kube sekufika nje lokho isikhathi sokuthi kube sibone engahambisani ingasalungiseki sabona uma ingasalungiseki eyingathi sesiphelelwe ngamandla sabona ukuthi sithola ikhaya elisha
okusho ukuthi namhlanje usujoyine ngokusemthethweni iqembu lomkhondo wesizwe phansi
ngokuphelele nje impela ngoba ngifunga nje namhlanje ukuthi sengizoba umkhondo wesizwe futhi ngiyitshela ukuthi njengoba ngilapha mhlawumbe ubonile ukuthi eduze kwami khona udeputy wami khona usecretary ukuthi sibonile ukuthi nala sizoza futhi asizile sometimes abanye abantu sebeyofuna ikhundla cha sizosebenza nje kanye nabo njengebhokodo sikhulisane lapha nalapha njengalokhu besifundisiwe la sisuka khona ukuthi njengoba singoba kodwa sizolalela lokho esizokuzwa bese siyabambisana siyaqhubeka siyaphambili kodwa asisizi izitha futhi asixabene nalapha esiphuma khona ekhaya siyabona.
So now Jacob Zuma addressing the issue of illegal immigrations. We know that this has plagued all the provinces in South Africa, the issue of illegal foreigners who are here, undocumented foreigners who are here in South Africa. Jacob Zuma touched on that. He said that the MK party will deal with the problem of foreign nationals, but they will not get rid of them or chase them away. He said that, but they will reduce them because they are not an evil organization, but they want every black person to live as it is in their own country and get employment. This is what Jacob Zuma has said. So very interesting. He said a lot of things that they will teach white people to speak Zulu and they will get rid of the Roman Dutch law. Listen here.
Sihlangana mhlatho wazanayo and uyahlangana uma sehluleke kulolu khetho oluzwayo awungiyosho ngithi madoda abathakathi bakhona impela abathakathi bakhona abathakathi ke babejojwa qala ngazo benze njani namhlanje qala babejojwa nje thakathi wakuphelile ngawe makwatholakala ukuyathakatha sibhekene nokuthi sibuka kanjani ikusasa lethu ayikho into edlulele ngoba bekuthi noma sekunzima usho ukuthi abantu bakhuluma beshona ngala ngoba phikisana bayazondana benza konke. No, indlu emnyama ayihlangani. Ngifuna ukubabonga kakhulu abaholi bala kule ndawo esikuyo abathe isikhathi sifikile sokuba indlu emnyama iphathe izwe la. Sifuna nje basinikeze ithuba siwina sithi gelekeqe imithetho iyoshintsha ngakusasa kuza ukuthi ngeke kuze kuthiwe asiyofuna izinto. No, iyophuma aphela umuntu. Ayikho umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi lo mthetho othi kuthiwa umuntu omnyama yini sasidelelwa phela ngizokuthi boy yini wena yenza kufuneka sifune isifana kalo. Asikwazi uyabona nje sibaningi siba ngakala abantu abacabanga ukuthi uma ikhuluma uqedile uma ishaya English isiZulu isiSotho angithi konke sikwenza mase kuthiwa kuyenziwa kuthiwa no you must sign here sign here. Okay, so sign la noma besho njalo fine, but sizosayina ngesiZulu nangesisuthu nangesixhosa njengabanikazi bendawo. Sofundisa wonke umlungu uzosifundisa isiZulu noma engasazi. Ongasazi uyibonela. Khona kwethu lokho. Sifuna izwe lethu backward. Silithathe. Buka nje kuneyindawo eziningi singakwazi ukusihlala lapho kwakuthiwa sakha khona, sathethelwa khona, kuphela indawo ngoba phela siyazala. Asidlali thina. Sandisisizwe simnyama. Phela indawo ke manje. Indawo ihleli nabafiki. Sobanciphisa hayi ukuthi sobaxosha ngeke. Bangabaleki bacabanga ukuthi sobabulala. Asikhathaze thina asikhohlakele. Kodwa sifuna wonke umuntu omnyama abe umuntu ophila njengasezweni lakhe. Ngabe khona umuntu okuthiwa akasebenzi. Usebenza wonke inhlobo yomuntu ukuthi unamabana amabhilidi amade. Thina sihlala kuthwena emkhukhwini. Kodwa singabanikazi bezwe. No. Ngeke asifuni. Kukhona into okuthiwa i-city. City ngala yini? Kahlala khona thina? Sikuvumelani lokho? Singabantu abamnyama sesilesikhathi sokuthi singalithatha izwe ngobuningi bethu silibuyisele lapho esasikhona. Ubani ke ongathi ku wrong lokho? Ngifuna ukunibonga. Uyabona khona uthe makunyakaza ihlala Nkosi ngasho ngathi awadla mfana kaZuma. Ngifike ekhaya phela kusekhaya la. Awu ngiyabonga bafowethu. Ngiyabonga bodadewethu. Liyabuya elikaMthaniya. Liyabuya lonke la South Africa. Ubani ophikayo? Akekho. Awu nithi ngayekela nokugiya madoda. Hawu. Kodwa nje sami nami sihlanga ngabe ngithi bewona. Awuzwa ke nazo. Siyabonga. Ningalokuthi nilalela abantu abazosikhohlisa. Ningalokuthi futhi bathi sikhatha abantu hayi sihlanganisa isizwe somuntu omnyama. Sohlangana. Usukela lenhlangano ikhona sekuza abantu abaningi ngezikhathi ezahlukahlukene abathi nansi indlela endiyona indlela ayikwenye. Bonga kakhulu ngibonge abaholi. Abaholi mabazame ukuziphatha kahle ukuze nathi siphatheke kahle thina esilenzansi. Yithi ke laba silana namhlanje. Uma sihlangene sinombono wodwa ayinto into yosekuhlula ukuliphatha elikaMthaniya. Abantu bayakhala ukuthi ngenkathi kufika lolu khetho odlule lesifundazwe sasihamba phambili. Inkinga ke khona ukuthi silithatha nini siqale khona la kwelikaMthaniya ebese siyanda sigcwalizwe lonke endingeke sihluleke. Asikaze sihluleke thina noma sokuthiwa kumnyama noma sokuthiwa kubomvu. Ngifisa ukuthi singagcini kuphela ngokuthi hayi nampe esihamba nayo. Asithathe yonke into ewumuntu omnyama ibe yithi siliphathe. Siphathe nje. Uma lingaphatheki lonke kanye kanye siqale khona la sihlala khona. Kwelikazi uNkulunkulu inkosi yamakhosi yazizwa lonke. Shaka kasishaka umntaka senza ngakhona. Wemayi babo. Ukuba Nkosi yami ngingamlanda la ekhona just for 6 months. Akaze nje afike nje I'm Shaka. The man who made this country to be a wonderful world. Uyangizwa na? Wemadoda. Ngiyabonga abafowethu, ngiyabonga bodadewethu ukujabula lokho. Ngifuna silithathe lelizwe kulolu khetho lizayo. Noma kumnyama noma kubomvu. Izwe lethu leli silibanga namuntu. Okwamanje silibanga nje nabantu abathi this is a Roman Dutch law. Yini yona leyo? Angibethuki kodwa soyishintsha bafowethu, soyishintsha. Uyabona namhlanje ingane zethu zifa ubusuku nemini yigebeni. Abantu bayenye into nje ehlukile. Amakhosi awanazwi sithi lizoba khona. Akekho futhi kuzophela nokufa kwabantu nabantu abantshontshana. Kuzophela konke lokho. Ingane zizofunda mahala ezweni lazo. Ingane nje ayikho engezukuya esikoleni. Ngokomthetho esizowakha. Ingane izoya esikoleni ifunde iqede umatric. Bese siyayithatha for 1 year. Iyofundela ukuba umuntu oqonde ngqo. Uma iqeda ebese ya e-university. Aye e-university esazi ukuthi umele lelizwe, umele labantu abamnyama, uyena ozokwenza lesizwe kusube isizwe esiphilayo. Yithi lapho. So iqala nje masikala ukuqeda manje. Asizi ukuthi kusasa. Asizi ukuthi kusasa. Ayikho ingane engezufunda into efuna ukuyifunda. Ayikho ingane engezusebenza kube kusezweni lakhe ehlupheka no.
So, what's your take on the MK Party President Jacob Zuma saying all of those things? Some of these things, he's been saying them, we know them since the dawn of the MK Party. It is one of the messages that Jacob Zuma was communicating, or saying that black people will come together and let us change the constitution and let us make some new laws in this country that will involve the kings and that will create more opportunities for black people. That is the message of the MK Party. What's your take of what you've heard the MK Party President Jacob Zuma had said? You can share it on the comment section below. Don't forget you can press the super thanks button and you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel, and let us meet on the next video. And I'm out.